In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group events in Calendly. If you run webinars, workshops, training sessions, or any meeting where multiple people need to book the same time slot, a group event is the perfect fit. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can set it up quickly and confidently. First, open your Calendly scheduling area and click Create. This starts a brand new event type and brings up the options for what kind of meeting you want to offer. Next, choose Group. Unlike a one-on-one or a round robin, a group event lets several invitees reserve the same time slot with you. It's ideal when you want a single host and multiple attendees, all together. Now give your event a clear descriptive name. Type your event type name in a way that makes the purpose obvious to your audience, like monthly product Q&A or new client onboarding session. A good name sets expectations immediately and helps invitees pick the right session. Select your duration. Choose a length that comfortably fits your agenda, including time for introductions and questions. For example, 45 to 60 minutes often works well for most group formats, but pick what aligns with your content and pace. The duration you choose is what invitees will see and book. Then select your location. Decide how people will join: a video conference link, a phone call, or an in-person address. If you use an integrated video platform, make sure the correct provider is selected so Calendly can automatically generate and share the meeting link with every attendee. Clear location details can reduce no-shows and confusion. Open the invitee limit settings. This is a key piece for group sessions because it controls how many people can take a single time slot. Setting the right cap ensures your session stays manageable and interactive. Enter the maximum number of invitees for the group. Think about your format and facilitation style. For a hands-on workshop, a smaller number keeps engagement high. For an informational briefing, you might allow more. Once this number is reached, the time will no longer appear as available to new invitees. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly will save your group event and generate its booking page. From here, you can share the link anywhere you reach your audience, email, chat, or your website, and people can sign up until the limit is reached. You can always come back later to adjust the name, duration, location, or capacity as your needs evolve. That's it. Your group event is ready to go.